Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. Okay friends, so I am coming at you all in a different angle. So I am showing you all these beautiful stands that I picked up from HomeGoods. These are so cute, and it has the mirror top to it. These are so absolutely gorgeous. Got the taller one for $29.99, and I mean, this is beautiful. And then the smaller one, I got this one for $24.99. These are so gorgeous, and you know that your girl will be using these in like weddings and everything else you can think of. So let's move on to our next item. Now friends, I got this beautiful decorative bowl. My goodness, from HomeGoods. I am starting to be obsessed with HomeGoods. This isn't making any sense, but you guys know that I'm totally new to HomeGoods. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Now you know the colors of our home has that gold, splashes of silver, well, lots of silver, splashes of gold, LOL moments, and that pink. Look at that. You guys know I pay so close attention to details. That is so beautiful and stunning. And your girl got it for, I hope I don't break it with my ring, for $12.99. You know that is just like a bang deal. So look, ooh, isn't that cute? So at HomeGoods, I found these beautiful bouquets. These are so cute. Now you guys already know I know how to make some bouquets, all types of bouquets, but however, I am going to be disassembling these. I just really love the flowers, and I have a DIY in plan for these, so I think they're gorgeous as they are. So if you're a DIY bride, you know HomeGoods have these for $9.99. And then they also have this right here. You can use this gift box. It is so absolutely gorgeous. Got it from HomeGoods, and I got this for $14.99, and it already came like this. Of course, I'm gonna do some things to it, so I'm going to still do some things to it, but this is absolutely gorgeous. When I price some on Etsy, although I can do the gift boxes, I just don't want to do everything. If you guys can, you know, understand what I'm saying, I don't want to do everything. It was a bit pricey for some of them, so I got this one for $14, and this is what it looks like in the inside. I think it is so beautiful. Now you all know this is so your girl. I had to get this when I seen this at HomeGoods. You guys, it is so absolutely cute. It is because y'all know I love me Jesus, and I also love me some coffee. But my kids, when they seen it, they was like, "Mom, this is you." And I was like, "Of course, yes." And I just grabbed this one. I went back to get some more. They was so completely gone. No one told me, like, if you see something at HomeGoods, you better grab it, because if you go back, it is going to be gone. So now your girl know better. So I think this is so cute. This is how much I got it for. And so hopefully I'll get some more in. They say that, you know, they told me like once we have it, you know, it's gone. More than likely we won't get any more in. So I'm hoping they're going to get some more in, you guys, because these are so cute to go in my little coffee section. These are the cutest little flower baskets I have seen. You guys got to check the description box down below. I think this is so cute, and you know this is a total DIY. Ready to be done. So these are so cute, and I got two of them because that's all I would need. But this is just so cute, and got these off of Amazon. So these are so adorable to me. Now also from Amazon, I got these risers, and I absolutely needed some more risers. If you check the description box, I always let you guys know what my favorite items to use for any type of event, and I will be doing one tomorrow as well. So I needed some more risers, so these came like right on time. So I want to show you guys what they look like, you know, out. So this is what the riser looks like. You can use them in your, like for a buffet station. You can use them for candy dishes. You can use it for centerpieces, you know, to just make it, you know, give that lift that you need for your event. Now, I did pick up something from Burlington Coat Factory. Now, this is just too cute. Look at that. It has like that mirror in the back. I love that. So, you know, I am a huge fan of the, you know, anything that has that mirror look to it. And this is really, really beautiful. And I'm still like, you know, tearing this little thing open. I haven't had it long at all, but I want to show you guys this. And I got it for like $14.99. And they do have some that is $9.99. So I do want to go back to Burlington to get something that's more, they have like love and faith and stuff like that. So I do want to go back to Burlington Coat Factory to get something that will be symmetrical to the other side on our mantle with this one. So I got this beautiful picture frame from Burlington Coat Factory. This is as close as I can get in on it because if I like stand right in front of it, the lights are just going to be so super bright on you guys. And I got it for $9.99. So I'm sorry that it, you know, everything just went kind of yellow because I'm up under my lights. And then plus I have on the studio lights as well. So you can see that. Like, I know you all can see all that bling on there. Don't act like I can't see it. It's very gorgeous. So that is beautiful as well. So I will be using this one as well in the wedding. So let's go over our last item for this haul. I'm going to do another one, but it's going to be more like a shop with me. We're just going to do it all together, y'all. So everybody's asking me about this beautiful serving tray. Now, I got this serving tray from Burlington Coat Factory. However, I went to 2 more Burlington Coat Factories. They did not have any more. So I only got it for, I think, for about $19.99, between $14.99, $19.99. I'm not sure. But since it's this large, I think it was the $19.99 one. So everything that I, you know, pretty much have or something close to it, I would have it down in the description box below. You know how we do it over here at Designing with Letitia McKinney. And again, I thank you guys for always tuning in with your girl. You guys have a blessed and awesome one. And guess what? I will see you on Thursday. Bye.